Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Aruna Rajaputra with today's topic active voice and passive voice for class 6 state syllabus. Read the following sentences. Ramu found a purse. A purse was found by Ramu. Second sentence. First sentence is Ramu found a purse. Second sentence is a purse was found by Ramu. Both the sentences mean the same. The first one sentence says that Ramu did something. Ramu found a purse. That is, Ramu did something. The first sentence says. The second sentence says that something is done. That is, a purse was found. Next, the first sentence is said to be in active voice. The first sentence is said to be in active voice because its subject Ramu is active and does something. Subject is Ramu. The first sentence is said to be in the active voice because its subject Ramu is active and does something. And the second sentence is said to be passive voice. Second sentence is said to be passive voice because its subject, that is Ramu, does nothing, but passively allows something to be done to the object. Object is purse. I once again repeat. The second sentence is said to be in a passive voice because its subject, Ramu, does nothing. Here, Ramu does nothing, but passively allows something to be done by the object, that is purse. Read the following pairs of sentences. The dog bit the boy, active voice. The boy was bitten by the dog, passive voice. I once again repeat. The dog bit the boy, active voice. The boy was bitten by the dog, passive voice. One more example. She wrote many stories, active voice. Many stories were written by her, passive voice. I once again repeat. She wrote many stories, active voice. Many stories were written by her, passive voice. One more example. Gopika drew the picture, active voice. The picture was drawn by Gopika, passive voice. I once again repeat. Gopika drew picture, active voice. The picture was drawn by Gopika, passive voice. Here you can see one more example. Sahil caught a strange fish, active voice. A strange fish was caught by Sahil, passive voice. I once again repeat. Sahil caught a fish, strange fish, active voice. Next, a strange fish was caught by Sahil, that is passive voice. From all these sentences, you notice that the object of the verb in the active voice becomes the subject of the verb in the passive voice. I'll explain you this point with this example. Here in this sentence, Gopika is subject, drew is verb, and the picture is object. That is, Gopika is subject, drew is verb, picture is object in the active voice. And here, the object of the verb in the active voice, the object of the verb in the active voice becomes the subject. Here, this picture object is becoming the subject of the verb. This is the verb, subject of the verb in the passive voice. Subject of this verb in the passive voice, it is becoming. Hope you all understood this one. The object of the verb of active voice becomes the subject of the verb in the passive voice. Next point. The subject of the verb in the active voice, this is the subject, this is verb. The subject of the verb in the active voice becomes the object here. of object of the preposition by. By is the preposition. By is preposition. So, the subject of the verb in the active voice becomes the object of the preposition by in the passive voice. Hope you all understood well. The verb in active voice is changed into the passive form. For example, verb that is V2 form in the active voice is changed into be plus V3. Example, wrote became was written. In this example, drew became drawn. Next, V1 means the root form of the verb. V2 is the past tense form of the verb. V3 is past participle form of the verb. Example, V1 walk, V2 is walked, V3 is walked. Hope you all like this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Please do watch all my playlists. Thank you all for watching my video.